the cave.
Along with the rest of the country, Meghalaya today also celebrated National Handloom Day 2024 at Usosotham Auditorium with Textile Minister Paul Lyngdoh as the chief guest and Dr. Anna Louise Meynell, an international textile expert from Scotland, as the special guest. In his address, the minister emphasized the need for collective effort to optimize the exceptional talent of the state's weavers, encouraging third-generation weavers to continue their ancestral traditions. The event featured the launch of the Meghalaya Textile Directory Textiles Atlas and the department's e-portal, as well as fashion shows by students of KL Bajoria College and designer Daniel Aim and others.
Textiles industry, dyers, artisans, weavers, spinners, entrepreneurs. I think what I heard initially was from farm to fashion, and perhaps we can now elevate further, farm to fabric, to fashion, to faraway seas.
Two people from Nongprut and Nongken are